In today's video, I am going to show you how to merge videos into one, or I think the more accurate term would be a sort of split screen effect. And I am going to warn you, CapCut does not go about this the easy way. You do have options though. So obviously, the first thing you want to do is click on that little plus sign and import whatever videos you need from your files or from CapCut's library. You want to put your videos onto the timeline by clicking on the little pluses. And this is where things get a little haywire. You can go onto the individual clips and adjust them. However, they are only corner adjusters, so it will either be big or it will be small. You can't adjust the width because that would change the entire aspect ratio of the video. So, options. Make the videos a little bit smaller and put them side by side like I've done in the video over here. You've got these annoying little black spaces, but what you could do is put another video or your YouTube page picture in the background. That'll make it look more stylized. Your other option is to change the actual aspect ratio of the video, and then you could adjust again the sizes to make your videos fit side by side. In this case, you have one small annoying bar, but then again, you can put your YouTube logo or your Instagram logo or whatever it is in the center to again make it look like a style choice rather than a limitation. Furthermore, there are things that you can attempt if you want to stay in that aspect ratio with masking. I would say adjust the opacity of the video in the background, just so you could see what you're moving. Again, this isn't amazing because now your entire video, well, both videos don't entirely fit into the screen, so you would only be able to show off certain parts of the video side by side. If that's what you're attempting, then using the mask feature, spot on, it'll do the trick. But yeah, short and simple. Thank you so much for watching. I hope the video helped you a little bit in your split screen journey, and have an amazing day.